Today's menu is chocolate chip cookies. Start with the bowl. We have 1 cup of margarine. We have 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We have 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. And put this on the mixer. Okay, now we've creamed those ingredients together. Nice and creamy. Okay. Next ingredient. 2 eggs. So we'll do that. Nice. Next ingredient. We have baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Okay, and it goes in a little bowl with 1 tablespoon of water. And we'll just mix that up. Pour it in. And away we go. Okay, we're ready for the flour. So I have 2 1/4 cups of flour. Okay, we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Let me get a new teaspoon here. It looks like a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'll use 2 of these. Teaspoon of salt and vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. Give it one last little beat, fluff everything up. Normally the yield of the recipe is 24 cookies. Sometimes you'll get 0 cookies, depending on how much cookie dough gets eaten. But warning alert, beep, 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 beep. Don't eat raw cookie dough. It's got raw flour, which is bad for you, and raw eggs, which is bad for you. So you've been warned. Okay, let's take this down. The last ingredient is chocolate chips for chocolate chip cookies. Imagine that. There we go. Got flour all over my brand new mixer. Got to clean that up. Now, when I was a kid, my mom would make cookie dough, but she would use one of the little, Sunbeam hand mixers with 2 beaters. And it was always a treat to lick the beater afterwards. The problem was that there were 3 kids. So who gets the beater? There's one kid always missing out. Same problem with a mixer like this. You have 1 beater. I had 2 kids. Well, I have 2 kids. I don't. Who gets it? Anyways, 2 cups chocolate chips. You mix these in by hand so they don't get bruised by the beater. One cup chocolate chips. Two cups chocolate chips. Oh, man overboard. And there, my friends, you have chocolate chip cookie dough. Put it on a baking sheet, put it in the oven at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Don't overcook them. Undercooking is fine. Gooey is great. So chocolate chip cookie dough for you. Now, get back to your regularly scheduled educational video. Well, there's a happy sound. And there's a beautiful smell. And there's a great sight. Look, the cookies are all done and ready to go. Just put them here. Let them cool for a bit before we put them on the rack and then store in a cool place. All right, you get back to watching those educational videos.